Bucky Dent is here, meeting and greeting his fans. And anytime you get athletes and car guys together, you know it's going to be an interesting night.
We're here at the Seminole Casino in Coconut Creek. I'm Ted Vernon from South Beach Classics, and we're here to spend an evening with Bucky Dent. So we're going to be unveiling this beautiful 57 T-Bird that Bucky bought from Ted Vernon, and you did a total transformation on it.
And Bucky doesn't even know what I've done.
He has no idea.
I'm here for the unveiling of my 57 T-Bird, or actually in honor of my wife, her 57 T-Bird, and I'm really, really excited to see this thing. I've heard a lot about it. Everybody here has seen it except me, so I'm really anxious to take a look at it. That is a thing of absolute beauty.